Python, change values in a dict based on list. I have a dict check underscore dict with keys and values. And another list input underscore list with keys. I'm trying to make keys in check underscore dict to true whose keys are present in input underscore list. Expected output.
You can iterate over input underscore list and then make an if statement. If a string from the input underscore list is in the check underscore dict, then we change its value to true.
If you want to use dict comprehension, as at Scootcork mentioned in a comment, this will do the same, but is much more readable.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.